What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing some ultimate speed car. Okay, let's go in the game. I have a Lamborghini. Sorry guys. I have a Lamborghini and I have the Jeep. What is Jeep? Oh, this is a Jeep. This is the Fast and Furious. The game should be. This is this car, the Fast and Furious. This is also Fast and Furious car. This is a pod car. This is. I don't know what is his name, but I love this car. And one more car. I really love this car. It's a BMW. Did you like it? Now I think the car name is Lamborghini. Okay, let's upgrade. Okay, let's go. Loading is my game is loading. Sorry guys. I closed the data. Okay guys. Fast. What is this game? Sorry guys. I really so 5, 3, 2, 1. Bam. I hate this game. Whoa. What the? The super fast car. You see? Hey guys, you just learn my car voice. See. Did you like it? Please comment. Did you like this game? Please comment. Peace. Bye. Whoa. You so good with my life. I don't like this car. Okay guys, I tomorrow go do the live video. Did you guys want to see that video? The live. I think it's a another car game. I see this again. Okay, come inside game. Okay. Let's check the brake. Okay. Whoa! It's a super Jeep. Whoa! What? Why you come in front to my drift? Hey, Gamate. Okay, guys. Welcome back to my cyber game channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Put a bell button and like this game and comment, please. My family is a poor family. We don't have any money. We need a lot of subscribers. Hey guys, this is a night time. This place here. You have a lot of car. You have here the drift cars. At night time I bring this BMW, and then I think wait a minute. Saturday I do the live. Tomorrow I do this game, but the drift, night time I do for drift people's car. I see you if you see. Saturday I do the live video. Okay, guys. Let's do another car. Loading. Do you want to see this car? Comment below. Okay, wait 1 minute. Oh, one person wants this car to drive. Okay. His name is Christina Kai. It is a Christina Kai. Christina Kai. Okay. You stay. You drive properly. Don't work. Sorry guys. Whoa. He say go fast but drift, but don't broke the car. He say I am breaking this car. Oh, it's money. Whoa. Sorry, Christina Kai. I don't know how to drive. Whoa. Sorry, Christina Kai. Go. Okay, Christina Kai, did you like this car? How to drive? Whoa. The best trip in my life. Did you like the reverse drift? Let's do it. Whoa. Okay, Christina, you like this reverse? Hey guys, can you drift? One. Everybody, I finished. I take another car, please. Hello guys, I take this car. I really love the Lamborghini and this car and BMW, the green one, and one more Jeep, the green Jeep. Whoa. Did you see the car? That car in here, that I used to see the car, I am coming there in front me there, the car is like this and jump like this, the jump. Hey, money. Guys, I had 8 diamonds. I have $1,000 million. I used to do the BMW. I buy the $1 million. The BMW is $1 million. I have $1 million, 50,000. I want buying a 1 million car, and then I service that car. You see that? I buy the 1 million car and $50,000. I do service that car. Not this car, the BMW. I let you see that car. The Rolls. Wow, the Rolls is. Hey guys, can I give you to see the airport? Not airports, not the Air 19 airports. I see the airport. Okay. Hey guys, this is my airport. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Okay guys, let's go to garage. Back to garage. Let's do this. Loading. Whoa. Oh, listen this car. Don't forget this car and big man, and then hey, you know how old I am? I am 12 years old. I am existing Bangalore. I am from Malaysia, and I am my school name is actually Bangalore. I am year 6. Okay guys, take the another car. Now I want to show the world fast car. 1, 3, 2, 1. Coming right now. Whoa! You guys see this car? The world. Let's drive, guys. Did you learn this car? Hey, taxi! What you taxi? What is your problem? Whoa! It's so close. Sorry guys, and welcome back to garage. And thank you for watching the video. And subscribe to my channel Cyber Gamer Saran, and give me a big thumbs up and big a like button. And see you guys next time. Bye.